Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some coconut red curry. So first up, I'm just gonna clean and cut up my scallions. I'm just taking away the pieces that are going bad. And for now, I'm just going to cut up the white piece and put it in a separate bowl. I'm going to use the top part of the scallion or green pieces towards the end of cooking. And after I'm done cutting up the scallions, I'm going to start working on my onion. And you can use whatever onion you have on hand, but I do prefer white onion. But if you have yellow Spanish onion, that's perfectly fine. And for the onions, I just diced them up as normal. I didn't want the pieces to be too big in the curry. Next, I took about 2 handfuls of baby red potatoes, washed them and cut them up. And even though they were pretty small, I still decided to cut them up into 4 equal pieces because the chicken pieces I were cooking were not insanely huge. I wanted you to be able to scoop up a bite of every single vegetable and meat with the rice in the dish. So now that I got all my vegetables cut up and squared away, I'm going to oil a pan with olive oil and let it heat up. And while it's heating up, I'm just going to start prepping my chicken by cutting it up. It has been cleaned previously. And once the oil is hot and ready, I'm just going to toss my vegetables in and stir fry it up a bit. While I'm cooking it, I'm just going to add some minced garlic and just salt because the curries that I'm using have a lot of flavor itself. But if you want to add more seasonings, you can. This is one of the curries I'm using. It's a Thai red curry paste and it has a bunch of flavor, and I got this from Amazon. So for now, I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of the curry, and that was more than enough. But if you feel like you want a stronger red curry flavor, then go right ahead and add 3 or 4 tablespoons if you must. After that's been sauteing for a bit, I am going to add the chicken in. I'm going to make sure I keep stirring it so each piece is covered with the red curry paste. And after a while, this is what your chicken is going to look like. And when my chicken is just about done, I'm going to add in about 1 cup or 2 cups of water. After that, I am going to use the second curry, which is this Japanese golden curry. And it comes in these nice little cubes separated so you can break it apart. And I did add 3. And this was the perfect amount of curry flavor for the amount of chicken breast and vegetables I had. So I'm just going to keep stirring until the curry is dissolved. Next, I'm going to be using this creamed coconut. And it's not like that sweet coconut stuff you get in a can. This is not only going to add a really nice creamy coconut flavor, but it's also going to thicken your sauce. And as you see here, after about 10 minutes, I would say, this is what the sauce looks like. So I'm just going to keep stirring it here and there. I'm going to let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done. And after I plate it and garnish with cilantro over rice, here it is. Coconut red curry chicken. Hope you enjoy.